Hello everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine and safe. Welcome back in English class. In previous video, we talked about the first part of the story, The Little Bully. We knew that a small boy, Hari, always teased other children. He pinched and pricked other children with a pin. All the children hated Hari a lot. One day it was planned for a picnic to a seaside for a whole day. All the children were very excited. Let's see what happens next in the story. On the day of picnic, the sun was shining brightly और सारे बच्चे खुशी से पागल हुए जा रहे थे. They all rushed and sat in the train, but nobody wanted to sit next to Hari. कोई भी हरी के पास बैठना नहीं चाह रहा था. बट क्यों? शायद आप जानते हो. क्योंकि हरी सबको हमेशा पिंच करता रहता था. The train ran to its destination and reached to the seaside. When all the children reached to the picnic spot, they jumped and shouted with joy and excitement. सारे बच्चे बहुत खुश थे. They started racing by holding one another's hand. सबने खेलना, दौड़ना और मजे करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. बट कोई भी ना तो हरी का हाथ पकड़ना चाह रहा था और ना ही उसके साथ खेलना चाह रहा था. इवन कोई हरी के पास तक नहीं गया. अब आप ये सोचिए कि हरी को कैसा फील हो रहा होगा. हरी was angry. He walked alone and went to a sandy corner. जब किसी ने हरी को कंपनी नहीं दिया तो हरी को गुस्सा आ गया और वो अकेले ही सी साइड की तरफ चल दिया और वहां पर एक बड़ी सी रॉक पर बैठ गया. After that, he took out his lunch. His lunch was good. Let's know what were the things in his lunch. In his lunch, there were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake and a bar of chocolate. उसके लंच में इतनी सारी चीजें थीं और वो अपना सारा लंच अकेले ही खाना चाह रहा था और अपने लंच की कोई भी चीज किसी को भी ऑफर नहीं करना चाह रहा था. Students, did Hari do right? No. He should share his things with others. अपनी चीजें दूसरों के साथ शेयर ना करना अच्छी हैबिट नहीं है. Hari already had many bad habits that always troubles others. A person who always creates problem for others is not a good person. A good person is that person who tries to help others, who speaks softly with others, who behave properly and normally and share his things with others. Hope you have understood the second part of the story well. Let's solve some questions to enhance your knowledge and understanding about the story. The first question is, how was the sun shining? Answer is, the sun was shining brightly. Second question is, which mode of transport did children use to reach the seaside? Answer is, the children used train to reach seaside. Third question is, why did nobody want to hold Hari's hand? Answer is, nobody wanted to hold Hari's hand because he always pinched. Fourth question is, why did Hari get angry? Answer is, Hari got angry because nobody was ready to hold his hand and play with him. The next and last question is, what things were there in Hari's lunch? Answer is, in Hari's lunch there were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake and a bar of chocolate. Hopefully, you have understood the chapter and its second part of the story well. After this, let's move to practice time to make you perfect and make you gainfully busy. Are you ready? Yes. Note down the questions. The first question is, what two things Hari do to tease others? Second question is, why did nobody prefer to sit beside Hari in train? What did Hari do when he was angry on picnic day? Did Hari want to share his lunch with others? Write your answers neatly and properly. स्टूडेंट, अब आप ये जरूर जानना चाहेंगे कि आगे क्या होगा। हरी अपना पूरा लंच अकेले खाएगा या कोई उसका लंच शेयर करेगा? To know about the full story, keep on watching the videos. This is all for today. See you in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.